Bilis!
May bawal. Sir Jun, semis na sila.
Single lang yung lisa.
Oo, nung una. Pero ginawan double.
At hindi ba?
Buti nga double elimination.
Double.
Kanina kasi single lang eh. Medyo maaga daw nakapos. Kami, paano kami tagal dito?
Table.
Hindi ka pala dumating. Lahat naman nakalaro na eh.
Court number 2. Please prepare, Ma'am LB. Ma'am LB, court number 2. Women's doubles na.
Ay! Ay!
Salamat,
Kita ko sa TV. Wala sila kampal.
5 years din bro. Puntos ni Abby.
Iwan tayo sa aga, lakad kami dito. Ito sila sa gabag-gabag na dito. Skit-skit ka diba?
Thank you so much, Rani. And first of all, I'd like to extend my thanks to Architect Rivera for inviting me in this momentous occasion and giving me also the chance to speak before you. So it is truly an honor and privilege to stand before you today as the founding president of Gensan Global Community. Today is not just a celebration of our sports, but also a recognition of the teamwork, passion, and persistence that brought us to where we are now. Before I begin, nais ko lang bigyan diin ng pickleball sa Jansan ay nagsimulang bago pa man ang aming unang laro. Maraming tao ang nagambag para may pakilala ang laro ito. While I will go to every details today, I will focus on what we have achieved together since formally launching our journey. Isa sa mga unang milestone natin sa partnership is with Robinson's Gensan. Noong January 2023, si Pastor Arles ang nagpakilala sa pickleball kay Ma'am Bing Bilandria sa pamamagitan ng Hanabi Sports Group sa DXCP. Agad na ipakita ni Ma'am Bing ang kanyang excitement sa interest, and in February 2023, nagsubmit si Pastor Arles sa Robinsons para magpagawa ng outdoor court. At that time, napag-idea na may mauna nang nag-propose. As a colleague of Ma'am B sa Rotary Club of Gensan, I also requested for Robinsons to develop a court. Later, I learned that it was Pastor Arnes who had proposed it. From that moment, I fully supported the effort. By July 2023, na-finalize ang sponsorship agreement with Robinsons and Bulsen, paving the way para sa development ng court. In September 2023, we officially launched pickleball in General Santos City through our inaugural game at NDPU Gym. This event marked the first collaboration move between me and Pastor. Together, we organized this event to formally introduce pickleball in Gensan. Adding to this milestone was the timely visit of Miss Jenny Bax, a pickleball ambassador from USA, on a vacation here in Gensan. Jenny helped paddles, guided new players, and shared their passion for the sports, inspiring many to pursue pickleball seriously. Dumaliron yung mga taga-Kipalbig, showing their solidarity that time. While waiting for Robinson's outdoor court to be completed, we organized Gensan's first pickleball tournament at Robinson's Patio. Sponsored by Robinson's World. The tournament brought players from Davao, Coronadal, and Kipalbig. At that time, konti ko lang ang players. Ako pa lang, si asawa ko, si Pastor, si Dr. Arlen, si Arnold Gagwat, si Jesse Happy, si Chaka Dayanes, si Jeremy Alas, at Kanya. So that tournament became a turning point. Ang pinsang ko si Rizal Bukulansa, who at that time walang kalam-alam sa pickleball, happened to pass by. And the following day, I encouraged me to convert this gym into a pickleball court.
Ito ang mga Titans. Titans sa pickleball.
It eventually became the Oranza Sports Arena Pickleball Court. Ito na yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Our good Pastor Dr. Arden, yung asawa ko Jumel at Alma, remain consistent in training at Robinsons yung sa'yo. So eventually, ang top players like yung pinakauna natin players na attack is magdalawa bata at performance player, si Jasper Lustismo, si Kate Pinilito. And then sundan, si Gerard, at sa yung kapatid na si Trisha, at sila ang hindi ang maya. Sila actually yung mga pinakaunang na pickleball sa ako. Some performance players was also consistent in pickleball. By the time Robinson's outbound court was completed, we had morning sessions for attack jumpers and passing slides. Early supporters like Mario Ortiz, Arnie Antonio, John Aquilar, Jeron, and Andy Patrick became regulars, forming the so-called yung tinatawag namin before na Robinson's Boys. Later players like Anthony Brunel and his father, Steve, Dr. Jambi, Dr. Miranda, and of course, Dr. Bob Hansa. When we became popular, lightning was needed. But this case, I personally donated 4 lampposts of my home to Robinson's Court. And with the help of the Robinson's Boys and Engineer Bob Hansa, we sold this to taking lightning. Meanwhile, at the Hansa's Arena, Engineer Bob Oranza under 3 courts sa company ko natin. To accommodate more careers, providing free access to minimal electricity. Today, our football group is thriving community with multiple venues and ever-growing number of players. We organize successful tournaments like First Robinson's Pickleball Tournament, Unangkot Festival Tournament, Girls Class, Soccer League, Saturday Festival, and the Tuna Fest Tournament. We proudly presented Jensen tournament outside the city. Our effort is to recognize that the city was providing us with enough appreciation for introducing the sports, promoting pickleball in the city, and permission for all. Most recently, we partnered on RV Pickleball Court at Jensen Business Park, conceptualized by Joel Duterte and me. So together with my wife, Ali, Jetta, Runel, and Nelly, and other community members like Jazz, King, Boy, and Ian, we prepared the court which was facilitated with annual sponsorship. Thanks to spouses Ali and Jetta. Looking back at our journey, have been the story of teamwork, sacrifice, and shared regardless of our group affiliation right now, remember we are the Robinson's Boys in Celebrity, unang sa players, Team Pamugat, and 30 of Bamangan. We are all part of the bigger community of pickleballers in Jensen and San Valley. Together, we share a common goal, that is to grow the sports and make pickleball accessible to everyone. To everyone who's been part of this journey, maraming salamat. To support dedication and passion of many Jensen Pickleball water games today. Maraming salamat. Let's continue moving forward together as a pickleball community.
Mr. Ben Maragarin. Come on, Mr.
around the world that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of your love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
salamat. Okay, sungguh dekat, tahun-tahun na naman yun. 1 minute. Happy na yun.
Morning. Ready na.